Today, we're diving into MarketMuse, an AI content optimization tool that claims to elevate your writing game. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's explore what it really brings to the table and whether it's worth your investment. MarketMuse positions itself as a comprehensive AI-driven platform designed to enhance content creation and optimization. At its core, it analyzes your existing content and provides insights on how to improve it based on various factors like topic relevance and keyword usage. The user experience feels quite intuitive, with a clean interface that guides you through the content planning process. What stands out immediately is its ability to generate content briefs, suggesting topics and subtopics that can help you cover your subject matter more thoroughly. It's particularly aimed at marketers, content creators, and SEO professionals looking to boost their organic reach. However, a few areas feel somewhat unclear, particularly around how the AI adapts to niche topics. Some users might find they need to manually adjust the suggestions to fit their specific audience better. Overall, while the platform seems promising, it leaves me wondering about its adaptability for less common subjects. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, MarketMuse offers robust content analysis and generates detailed briefs that can save you time. The insights it provides can definitely help improve content quality and relevance, which is crucial for SEO. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The pricing may be a barrier for smaller creators or businesses, as it does feel a bit steep compared to other tools in the market. Additionally, the learning curve can be a hurdle. While it's user-friendly, fully grasping its capabilities takes time. Some users might also find it lacking in specific integrations with other tools they use regularly. Overall, while it's a solid option for serious content creators, it may not suit everyone, especially those just starting out or on tighter budgets. In conclusion, MarketMuse is a powerful tool for those serious about content optimization, particularly in highly competitive niches. If you're looking to refine your content strategy, it's worth considering. However, if you're a casual user or just getting started, you might want to explore other options first. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.